read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, what are the expected learning outcomes of number 0? The student is expected to count, identify, and trace numbers up to 0. Order and sequence number, yes, to 0. So, today, you could take different baskets, empty bag, empty water bottle, empty colors bottle, okay? You could take, look over here, here is color box, that is empty. There is not any color in this pencil box. You could take a bag, empty bag. There is nothing inside this bag. You could take an empty basket and keep it on the table and ask students, what's this in this basket? Is there any mango? No, it's empty. 0 mangoes are there in this basket. Is there any book in this bag? No, the bag is empty. 0 books in this bag. So, 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. After that, you will teach them how to trace number 0. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. It will make number 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing. 0 mangoes in the basket. Where's the mango market? 0 mangoes in the basket. Where's the mango market? Hold upon empty basket and look around as if searching. Empty means 0. 0 means nothing. So, you will clear the concept of the students. What is the meaning of 0? 0 means nothing. Okay? 0 mangoes in the basket. Oh no. 0 mangoes in the basket. Oh no. Where did all the mangoes go? Where did all the mangoes go? I looked around, but none to find. Empty basket left behind. Empty basket left behind. I hope so. You will teach to the students very well. Same like that. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.